The major tunnel maintenance operation that started last month is going as planned in Clarens. The Trans-Caledon Tunnel Authority is responsible for the South African side, while the Lesotho Highlands Development Agency is also hard at work in Lesotho. This tunnel system requires general inspections and repair work to be conducted at 5-year intervals. The aim is to ensure the integrity and reliability of the entire water tunnel system. This has, however, affected the volume of water supply to provinces such as the Free State, Gauteng and Northwest.
We currently 100 meters in on the Ash River side, and yes, that's basically what the markers are for. You'll see once you switch off your light, it's completely dark. Also interesting fact, the ash from Clarens, the tunnel actually goes on an incline, so the water flows uphill from Clarens all the way to the Ash River.
The water from Lesotho flows through the tunnels into the Ash and Liebenbergsvlei rivers in the province and eventually spill into the Vaal Dam. While this maintenance is being done, mitigation measures are in place. They include storing enough water in the biggest dams, such as Stekfontein and Fikapatso. A proper budget is also needed.
But we put aside or set aside a budget of around 320 million just for the work that we need to do on this site. But we think it's enough to look at what we need to do. Remember, this is the part that is easier to manage. But as we go down, the Deputy Minister was also talking about erosion, soil erosion, because there are no structures like this as the river goes down. And one of the things that we are responsible for is to look at whether now we are affecting the environmental aspect of what we need to do.
Asked if this can lead to day zero, authorities said there will still be sufficient water supply until the completion of the maintenance in March next year.
We can say with certainty to our people there is a security of water between now and next year, March. And if there are interruptions, it will be interruptions really that are aimed at managing the system. It will not necessarily be about our people not having water. So we are quite content and confident, and with the rains that are predicted, that we will be able to give our people water.
The completion of the maintenance primarily depends on relations between the two countries, Lesotho and South Africa. The Water and Sanitation Department says the project is going as planned.
We pride ourselves of the capability that exists in terms of the systems, the operational manuals that are there in terms of standard operating procedures. We're very, very confident. But we are dependent on our partners. There must be the issues of coordination between the two. That's why the chair of the board visited Lesotho with her entire team.
The water restrictions in place have not only affected residents, but also farmers. However, government says it has engaged with all the stakeholders on interim measures to provide relief. Aphumelele Mdlalane, SABC News, Lesotho Highlands Water Project, Clarens.